So right now, here's our bad microwave. We named it yet. This is the microwave that was used for 5. You can tell by that 5 remains. And we're microwaving an egg today. And it's gonna smell like rotten eggs. So yeah, that's microwaving an egg. Safety is key, and so is ventilation. That's why we're doing this outside. Let's go. Let's turn it up to, right now the microwave is off. Turn it up to 2 minutes. Let's go turn it on. Watch what happens. And I'm your host, Jake. Listen to it. In here. I can just barely see it myself. You can just barely see the egg. Come on, explode. Oh, you can hear the egg. It's going around. It's getting tossed and tumbled. Oh, it's shaking. It's wobbling. Come on, little egg. See something. Come on. Whoa! Oh, you see that smoke? Whew. It's too foggy to see. The remains of an egg that has just been microwaved. Whew. It smells like boiled, rotten boiled eggs. Because it is boiled. Yeah. Down under there. With this brush. Right now I'm scraping all the remains of the egg. Alright. The egg, I think it was pretty fun. Microwave an egg, but make sure that your just parents know, and it'll be okay. Microwaving an egg is fun. So, that's an okay idea.